look at my best friend. Ooh, I can't even talk about this here. Ugh. Even to lie.
We love. Look at this. Look how cute. Look how cute. Like Christine. Like it felt like a typical textbook, if that makes sense. It felt like the love was so much
Probably, if I push it, I have an hour for this to be exported and uploaded on YouTube. Because I have to go to work. So, I don't know if it's going to work the way I want it to. But we have the video edited. So, we're either going to be late for work, or it's going to happen all on the time that I need it to. So, praying and hoping.
Or is she trying to condense that? Hi everyone, welcome to the first relaunch of Midnight.
You can't believe a word she says most times, but this time it was true. The worst thing that I ever did was what I did.